Where you listen. Well, we've been talking about Victoria's Secret all morning. Some really strong numbers, beat the street pretty handily, and we're seeing a stock up 45% here today. So that's a good news there. Mary Ross Gilbert, she covers the retailers for Bloomberg Intelligence. Mary, talk to us about Victoria's Secret. What seems like a huge turnaround there?
Paul, you're absolutely right. Hillary Super is really executing supremely. Her team, Hillary and her team. So when you look at the results today, their comparable sales were up 13%. Now remember, they are cycling declines of comp sales in the first quarter for like the past 3 to 4 years. So that is helping. Still, this is a big increase, seeing a double-digit increase in comp sales, but it's not just that. It's also they're selling more at full price. They're attracting a younger cohort. So they saw a lot of strength in 18 to 24-year-olds, but they also saw strength in households earning under $50,000 and households earning over $200,000. So that's really saying something about what's happening here with the brand. So they have great franchises that they've created. So they have like the Dream Angels, a lot of these are the innovative lines that they've come out with in bras. Their lace collection is hugely popular. Within Pink, the turnaround at Pink has been phenomenal, and it's really resonating there. I mean, they have these totes that are selling out. So
Victoria's Secret has totes?
Well, we're talking about totes specifically within the Pink franchise, but yes, Victoria's Secret also has totes, but Pink does as well, and there were a number of pieces for spring and summer that sold out, including a really cool duffel bag. So they're really hitting the mark. They have this wonderful fragrance and beauty franchise that's like a $2 billion business, and they saw strength and double-digit gains across all categories. And the momentum should continue in the second half. So it appears that the guidance, which is really going to be sort of drawn back to more single-digit gains, really looks like they could be beatable. There's going to be some product launches in the second half. They're going to really heat up the campaigns.
Right.
And all of that is really, I mean, did you know that Victoria's Secret has 77 million Instagram followers?
Okay, that is news, but I'm looking at Paul Sweeney, and he's going to tell me that he's not surprised, given that Victoria's Secret used to be a big brand, with the fashion shows and everything. Sure. Is that something that the CEO, Hillary Super, is going to bring back? I mean, the company now has some momentum, or has the company effectively moved away from that former profile?
Well, let's make it clear, and the reason why their ticker symbol VSXY, very sexy, right? I mean, it's important. That's a big part of the Victoria's Secret brand franchise is sexiness. And so, Scarlett, speaking to the fashion show is already back. They had a great fashion show last year. That's okay. And this year, I'm sure it's going to be great. It's much more inclusive. It's from a woman's point of view on, what is sexy. And it's really a fantastic show. So, but they also have a number of other campaigns that they do. They do a lot in New York City, just on the street, and they post it on social media. All of those things are resonating, and you see a lot of strong sales within the stores. The culture there, I think, has always been very positive because employees who work there love their jobs. And you would experience it if you go in there. They're so engaging, they help you out, they know how to size you, and they show you so much of their product. And so I think they get a lot of conversion with that kind of engagement in the stores.
All right, Mary, thanks so much. Appreciate that. Mary Ross Gilbert, Senior Equity Analyst covering the retailers for Bloomberg Intelligence based out there in Los Angeles.